The temptation, though, is very high for judges. I can tell you this personally. When you have the authority, by just persuading 4 other people, to issue a command that 330 million other people must obey, or in our state that 31 million other people must obey, it can be an extraordinary sense of pressure because I have the power to do something that is good. And in that particular case, I might. Maybe the Constitution does require something that seems even dangerous or unjust or unfair, and I can fix it just by decreeing that it doesn't mean what it says. And that might do good in that case, and it might do good in that circumstance, but when I do that, I have pulled a thread from the garment that is woven together of the people of our state, or if the Supreme Court does it, of the United States, to govern themselves under law, and I make it harder for that act of self-government to happen. And so I try, like Justice Scalia did, to resist that temptation, which makes it a lot easier for me to sleep at night than if I had to think that on these shoulders rested the future of Texas. Instead, my belief is that the future of Texas rests on all of these shoulders and all the other people across our state and our country. So, if we don't have originalism, we actually don't have a constitution. Without the Constitution, the people aren't really their own rulers. Your judges will rule you. But it's not true that if something is really terrible, something that I can't imagine supporting, it's just not true that sort of thing must mean that it's unconstitutional, or that something I think must be so good that any sane society must want it, that means that it must be constitutional. It's a different question. Originalism is only able to answer the question of what the Constitution means. And our Constitution is a good one. Praise be to God. Without our Constitution, we could not possibly have become the people that we are. We could not possibly be bound together as a people. The Constitution is written with its structure, the checks and balances among the branches across the different levels of sovereignty, with individual rights added in, to force us to recognize that we're bound together, to force us to recognize that we're in the same boat, that our identity and destiny rise or fall together, and that we must listen to each other and be open to persuasion.